Ever yearned for a quiet, peaceful space in your home where you can relax and unwind? In a world that's always on the go, serenity can be elusive. Imagine a corner in your house that offers a respite from the daily hustle, a place where stress dissolves, focus sharpens, and relaxation is not just an idea, but an experience. A serene corner can be your sanctuary, your haven of tranquility. In this video, we'll guide you on how to create your very own serene corner. Step 1 in your journey to tranquility is selecting the perfect spot in your home. Now there are a few factors to consider when choosing this space. Natural light is your friend. It not only illuminates your space but also brings in a sense of warmth and positivity. Noise levels are another critical factor. Ideally you want a quiet space, a place where the hustle and bustle of the outside world can't reach you. Comfort is key as well. Choose a spot where you feel relaxed and at ease. Don't overlook underutilized spaces. That reading nook you rarely use or that balcony you only step out on occasionally can be transformed into a sanctuary. It's all about seeing the potential in the spaces you already have, and remember, this is your personal haven. It should reflect you and what brings you peace. Once you've chosen your space, it's time to begin transforming it. The next step is to bring in elements of nature to your chosen spot. Nature has a calming effect on our minds. And what better way to harness this power than to invite it into our homes? Indoor plants are an excellent place to start. Besides their aesthetic appeal, they purify the air around us, removing harmful toxins and releasing fresh oxygen. Consider adding a snake plant, which is not only an air purifier but also quite resilient, or a peace lily, that thrives in low light and high humidity. And it's not just about plants. Natural materials like wood, bamboo, or stone can add an organic feel to your decor. A wooden side table, a bamboo mat, or a stone sculpture can subtly echo the natural world, creating a serene and grounded atmosphere. Remember, it's about creating a space that feels authentic to you. With nature on your side, your space is starting to take shape. Now, let's set the mood with aromatherapy, specifically incense. Incense is a fantastic way to create a calming atmosphere. The slow, languid smoke unwinding into the air, the soft glow of the ember, it's almost meditative. There's a wide variety of incense out there, and each has its own unique properties. Lavender, for instance, is known for its stress-relieving qualities. It's like a deep breath in a field of flowers. Then there's sandalwood, a scent that can help you focus and clear away mental clutter. And let's not forget about frankincense, a traditional scent used for centuries to promote relaxation and tranquility. To use incense safely, always place it in a proper holder, away from flammable materials. Ensure the area is well ventilated and never leave burning incense unattended. With the right scent wafting through your space, you're one step closer to your serene corner. Finally, it's time to add those final touches to your peaceful space. These are the elements that make the space uniquely yours, a reflection of your personality and tastes. Let's start with comfortable seating. It could be an oversized chair, a floor cushion, or even a hammock. The key here is to choose something that invites you to sit, relax, and stay a while. Next up, we have soft lighting. This could be a dimmable lamp, fairy lights, or candles. The idea is to create a warm, cozy ambiance that soothes your senses. Remember, it's not about illuminating the room brightly, but about creating a soft glow that gently envelops you. Let's talk about personal objects. These are items that bring joy or have a special meaning to you. It could be a cherished photo, a favorite book, or a travel souvenir. Place these items in your serene corner to infuse it with your personal energy and to trigger happy memories. So, to summarize, we've chosen the right space, incorporated elements of nature, set the mood with incense, added comfortable seating, soft lighting, and personal objects. Each step has been about creating a space that not only looks good, but also feels good. And there you have it, your very own serene corner. Remember, this space isn't just about beauty. It's a sanctuary for your mental and emotional well-being.